Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Yes, this is your favorite place to learn English in a fun and simple way.
And if you enjoy learning with us, don't forget to subscribe and join our little English family.
Exactly, because we post lessons that actually help you speak in real life.
I'm Tom,
And I'm Anna.
and today we are talking about something very important.
The past simple tense.
Yes, the thing that helps you talk about yesterday, last night, last week.
Or even that embarrassing thing you did 5 years ago.
Please don't remind me.
Oh, I will later.
Okay, let's start simple. Anna, what is past simple?
Good question. The past simple tense is used to talk about actions that happened in the past and are finished.
So, done, finished, over?
Exactly. For example, I watched a movie yesterday.
Ah, okay. The action is finished. I watched it. I'm not watching it now.
Right. Another example, she visited her grandmother last week.
Nice. So the key idea is past and finished.
Yes, Tom, you got it.
I'm proud of myself already.
Don't get too excited. We're just starting.
Okay, what about verbs? I know there are regular and irregular verbs.
Yes. Let's start with regular verbs. These are easy.
Easy sounds good.
For regular verbs, we just add ed at the end.
So like play becomes played.
Exactly. Work becomes worked.
Watch becomes watched.
Perfect. See? Not so scary.
Wait, how do we say them? Sometimes I hear watched and sometimes played, and they sound different.
Great observation. The pronunciation changes, but don't worry too much now. Focus on using them first.
Okay, I won't panic yet.
Now, let's try some examples together.
Okay,
I say the sentence, you repeat after me.
got it.
I watched TV last night.
I watched TV last night.
Good. We played football yesterday.
We played football yesterday.
Nice. She worked late yesterday.
She worked late yesterday.
Perfect, Tom. You sound natural.
Wow, I actually do.
See? English is not that scary.
Okay, now give me a question.
All right. What did you do yesterday?
Oh, okay. I watched YouTube and I cooked dinner.
Very good. You used past simple correctly.
Yes, I watched, I cooked.
Now, let's make it more natural. Say, yesterday I watched YouTube and cooked dinner.
Yesterday, I watched YouTube and cooked dinner.
Much better.
Anna, what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I studied English, answered emails, and drank too much coffee.
Drank? That's not drinked.
Nope, that's an irregular verb.
Oh no, here comes trouble.
Don't worry, irregular verbs are different because they don't follow the ed rule.
So we have to memorize them?
Yes, but we'll make it fun.
I don't believe you.
You will. Let's try some common ones.
Okay.
Go becomes went.
Went, not goed.
Please never say goed.
I promise.
Eat becomes ate.
Ate.
Drink becomes drank.
Drank.
See becomes saw.
Saw.
Great! Now let's use them in sentences.
Okay.
I went to the market.
I went to the market.
She ate pizza.
She ate pizza.
We drank coffee.
We drank coffee.
They saw a movie.
They saw a movie.
Excellent!
This is actually fun.
Told you.
Wait, how do we make negative sentences?
Good question. For negative sentences, we use did not or didn't.
Okay.
And the verb goes back to the base form.
Oh, so no ed.
Exactly.
Give me an example.
I didn't watch TV.
Not didn't watched.
No, that's a very common mistake.
Got it. I didn't watch TV.
Good. Another one. She didn't go to school.
Okay, so we don't say didn't went.
Exactly.
That's actually easier.
Yes, past simple negatives are easy.
Let me try. I didn't eat breakfast.
Perfect.
We didn't play football.
Great.
He didn't study.
Very nice, Tom.
I feel like a grammar king.
Calm down, Grammar King.
Okay, what about questions?
For questions, we use did at the beginning.
Like did you?
Exactly. For example, did you watch TV?
Okay,
Did she go to school?
got it.
Did they eat dinner?
Nice. So again, base verb.
Yes, always base verb after did.
Let me try asking you something.
Go ahead.
Did you watch TV yesterday?
No, I didn't.
Did you drink coffee?
Yes, I did.
Did you go outside?
Yes, I went for a short walk.
Oh, nice. Healthy Anna.
Trying my best.
Okay, let's make it more real. Imagine we are friends talking.
We are friends, Tom.
I mean, in a normal daily conversation.
Okay, go ahead.
Hey, Anna, what did you do last weekend?
Oh, last weekend, I visited my cousin, watched a movie, and ate too much cake.
That sounds amazing. What movie did you watch?
I watched a comedy movie. It was really funny.
Did you like it?
Yes, I loved it.
See? That sounds so natural.
Exactly. That's how people really speak.
Okay, your turn.
Tom, what did you do last weekend?
I stayed at home, played games, and slept a lot.
Wow, very productive.
Thank you.
Did you go outside at all?
No, I didn't.
Not even once.
Okay, I went to buy snacks.
Of course you did.
Priorities.
Always.
Let's give more examples for everyone watching.
Yes, repeat after us.
I visited my friend.
I visited my friend.
I watched a movie.
I watched a movie.
I didn't go to work.
I didn't go to work.
Did you eat lunch?
Did you eat lunch?
Good. Now let's make it a little fun.
Oh, I like fun.
I will say a sentence and you answer.
Okay.
I say, did you cook yesterday?
Yes, I cooked pasta.
Did you clean your room?
No, I didn't, and I should.
Same here.
Did you call your friend?
Yes, I called my best friend.
Nice.
Did you study English?
Of course I did.
Good answer.
Always the best answer.
Okay, now a quick story using past simple.
Oh, I love stories.
Yesterday, I woke up late, I missed my bus, I ran to work, and I spilled coffee on my shirt.
Oh no, Tom, that sounds like a bad day.
It was terrible.
What did you do then?
I went home, changed my shirt, and finally started my day.
See, that's a perfect use of past simple.
Yes, everything happened in the past and is finished.
Exactly.
Okay, I think everyone is getting it now.
Yes, but we still have more fun coming.
Oh yes, especially when I tell your embarrassing story.
Tom, don't you dare.
I will.
I'm nervous now.
Good,
All right, guys, if you're enjoying this, stay with us.
because the next part is even more fun and useful.
We will practice more, learn expressions, and speak like real people.
And maybe laugh a little more.
Definitely.
So, okay, Anna, are you ready?
I'm not ready, but go ahead. I know you won't stop.
Yesterday, Anna tried to cook.
Hey, I did cook.
Yes, you cooked something. I'm just not sure what it was.
It was pasta.
It looked like soup.
It was creative pasta.
You burnt the garlic, didn't you?
I didn't burn it. I overcooked it.
Ah, yes, the polite way to say burned.
Okay, fine. I burned it. But I learned something.
See? Past simple again. I burned it. I learned something.
Exactly. Mistakes happened, but the lesson stayed.
That's actually a good life lesson.
Thank you. I'm wise sometimes.
Rare, but it happens.
Wow, Tom. Very funny.
Okay, let's continue. Now we talk about time expressions.
Yes, these are super important with past simple.
Like yesterday.
Right. Also, last night, last week, last month, last year.
And 2 days ago. A few minutes ago.
Perfect. These words help us understand when something happened.
Let's practice.
Repeat after us.
I watched a movie yesterday.
I watched a movie yesterday.
I went to the gym last week.
I went to the gym last week.
I finished my work 2 hours ago.
I finished my work 2 hours ago.
Very good.
Now let's make it more real again.
Okay, Anna, what did you do last night?
Last night, I watched a series and ate snacks.
Sounds relaxing.
It was. What about you, Tom?
Last night, I tried to sleep early, but I didn't.
What happened?
I watched videos until 2 a.m.
Classic mistake.
I regret it.
Past simple again. I watched, I didn't sleep, I regretted it.
Yes, this tense is everywhere.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about something interesting. Pronunciation.
Oh, Oh, yes, this part is fun and a little tricky.
Sometimes ed sounds like t, sometimes d, sometimes id.
Right. For example, worked sounds like worked,
Played sounds like played.
and wanted sounds like wanted.
But don't worry too much. Practice listening and speaking.
Yes, your ears will learn naturally.
Now let's do a mini role play.
I love role plays.
We are at a cafe.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Anna, what did you order?
I ordered coffee and a sandwich.
Nice. Did you like it?
Yes, I liked it a lot.
Did you try the cake?
No, I didn't try it. Was it good?
Yes, it was amazing. I ate the whole piece.
Of course you did.
No regrets.
That's a lie. You always regret later.
True.
See how natural that sounds?
Yes, this is real-life English.
Now let's add some daily use phrases.
Oh, this is very useful.
Listen and repeat.
I had a great time.
I had a great time.
I didn't enjoy it.
I didn't enjoy it.
It was amazing.
It was amazing.
It was terrible.
It was terrible.
I forgot.
I forgot.
I remembered.
I remembered.
I felt happy.
I felt happy.
I felt tired.
I felt tired.
These are very common in daily conversations.
Yes, you can use them everywhere.
Work, travel, friends, family.
Even when talking to yourself.
I do that sometimes.
We know, Tom.
Okay, now let's do a quick speaking challenge.
Yes, this is your turn, guys.
Answer this question out loud.
What did you do yesterday?
Pause the video and answer.
Did you say something?
I hope so.
Now another one.
What did you eat yesterday?
Say it out loud.
Good. Now one more.
Did you watch TV last night?
Answer yes or no and add more details.
Great practice.
Now let's tell a short story together.
Okay, I'll start.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, I woke up early and decided to go for a walk.
Nice start.
I saw a beautiful sunrise and felt very happy.
Wow, poetic, Anna.
Thank you. Then I met a friend and we talked for a long time.
That sounds peaceful.
Yes, it was. Then I came home, made breakfast, and started my work.
Very productive.
Your turn, Tom.
Okay, yesterday I woke up late.
Of course you did.
I missed my alarm.
Again.
Yes, then I rushed, skipped breakfast, and ran outside.
Oh no.
Then I realized I forgot my phone at home.
That's painful.
So I went back, got my phone, and finally started my day. Very late.
That sounds like a Tom story.
Thank you.
Again, notice how we used past simple for everything.
Yes, all actions happened in the past.
And they are finished.
Exactly.
Now let's quickly review everything.
Past simple is used for finished actions in the past.
Regular verbs add ed.
Irregular verbs, different forms like went, ate, saw.
Negative is did not or didn't plus base verb.
Questions, did plus subject plus base verb.
Time expressions, yesterday, last night, last week, ago.
Easy and powerful.
Very powerful.
Now, before we finish,
We have a question for you.
yes, answer in the comments.
What did you do last weekend?
Write a full sentence.
Or even better, write 3 sentences.
Practice makes perfect.
And we will read your answers.
Maybe even reply.
If Tom is sleeping.
Hey!
Just kidding.
Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this lesson,
Don't forget to like the video
share it with your friends.
and subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
We are here to help you speak English confidently.
Step by step, day by day.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Bye!